That's a new favorite, for sure. Buenos dias! George Bell blew a head gasket. That mustache went half an inch longer to the sides. That boy out of breath.
About flipped his car doing that.
Him and Diesel Dave should be in some sort of like consultation group for therapy for recovering car flippers.
Dude, we got
I ain't got a clue what's going to happen.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave? The land of the free and the home of the
that's right. It's followed up on.
as a special freaking Ladies and gentlemen, real quick, for those of you that are standing up along the crashed fence, you cannot stand there during the race. You will be asked to find a seat. Attention.
Hey, give it up, a round of applause for all you guys for coming out here. This is awesome. So many people. We were the VIPs earlier this morning, coming from all over the United Give it up for yourselves. This is going to be one heck of a race, and I tell you, it makes it so much better for the drivers out there. When you guys are rowdy, when you are loud, and you have been here the whole time. I appreciate y'all. Hey, can we check in with Garrett? Garrett, can you hear me, buddy?
You guys ready to see some racing tonight?
Yeah! Make that a lot better. Winning yourself your own car.
Yes.
Give it up for Cletus out there.
All right, boys and girls, this is the moment we have all been waiting for. For those of you that are joining us from home, for those of you that are coming to us from all around the world, and best and most importantly of all, for you guys here at the Freedom Factory.
Cletus in the car on the live feed. That man, he's still talking actually, but he has been stressed.
I love it.
He's calling the race. He's telling everyone, turn your headlights on. Oh my gosh, he's got so much stress going in his car right now, but he is sitting 5th place ahead of Brian Deegan on the inside. This is going to be a race that he has the potential to win. All he wants to do is make sure he puts on a good show, and I have no doubt he's about to do that.
Well, I can tell you one thing. Cletus is not afraid to win his own race, and I know he wants that Lambo. He won the first Freedom 500. Can he win the third one?
If he can, he definitely has the speed to do it. I feel like everyone that's in that top 6-8 spots has the speed. And like you said, there's a lot of guys. Kevin Smith, you know, he's hanging back there in 12th, and I still believe he has the speed to win this thing. So it's just going to be one heck of a race. I like the paint jobs, everything coming by, laughing at everything. It's amazing how these guys were able to train. Yeah, 100 laps, a lot of time for a lot of things to go wrong. Brad DePerdy, sitting there. Who thinks Brad's got a shot at this?
All right. Well, I still think you got to worry about Kevin Smith for sure. Look at that pace car pulling off there.
All right, we got Ballard on this. I mean, you want Connor? I'll give you Connor.
I'm not going to go with Connor. I'm going to go with J.H. Diesel.
J.H. Diesel for the win. All right, that's what I was laughing up there.
Because last time I picked
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's time to get on your feet.
Hell yeah, brother! Was that fun, Jack?